Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how you can check if somebody has access to your account. We can do that in a simple way to make sure like nobody has access to your account, or if somebody has access to your account, how to endure it. First of all, what we're gonna do, we go into if you have your Facebook account with you right now, you open it and you go into setting. When you go into setting, and after you go into security and login, as you click on security and login, you see a list of things like choose friend to contact if you get blocked, stuff like this. And at the bottom you see where you're logging, and as you can see, I'm using a map now. It says Philadelphia active now, and at the bottom of it there is device type unknown, and furthermore you can click on see more. As you click on it, you can see a list of devices which have been used on your account. Like I have now iPad mini, LG V20. They give you the date and month, for certain time, all the devices have been used on your account. So once again, if you want to check if somebody has access to your account, you have to go as I show you, and then just to claim or change your password or do something else to prevent people from getting access to your account. So if you need more videos, please subscribe at the bottom. Thank you. Have a great day.